Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm at another location of Hollies forest. So I'm back here to get another video of this. This time it's a half video I did before, and this time I'm going to show every single place in this area. And let's do this right now, yeah? Okay. Maybe I'll come back here do another video. So it's creepy. Not that creepy, so let the person come and find. It's awesome to be here, so it is adventure. So let's get into the video. So let's get everything, catch it on this video. I'm not gonna do some cutting, nothing at all. I'm gonna catch everything on this camera. So that being said, let's get into this video right now. Alright guys, this is amazing, outstanding thing forest. The little forest, so it is cool and calm, nice and dry day, and amazing thing to do. So yeah, I'm back here do another video like I last time I said I'm gonna come back here do another video. So here I am. So let's get into it and let's complete this challenge, shall we? And this is amazing to do a video. Look at this tree, guys, broken enough, and it's quietly interesting cutting trees. Probably we need that, or some people need that. It is a cool place to be, so I'm not going to be alone, so I have to do this video very quickly and fast. So yeah, it is an amazing day to be here. So tomorrow it's gonna be a half rain, half cloud. So probably Sunday Monday it's gonna be dry. Hopefully it beats that. Hopefully the weekend and the week stay dry. So I could do another banger video for you guys. So I'm not gonna cut the video or skip the video for you guys. I'm literally not gonna do that. So how we're gonna go? First of all, where's the light is? There's the light. I'm gonna go this way, all the way up, then back down, then continue to go straight. So here we're gonna do now. It is a lot of mud here, a bunch of mud. So this area is okay. So we're gonna continue going straight. So yeah guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure like, comment right now if you want another video of the crazy one. If you do want a crazy video, let me know in the comment right now. So it is an amazing day to do this. Let's get into the video and let's get this all sorted, yeah? Here we are guys. This is amazing, outstanding video for you. So I'm not gonna skip the video, anything like that. Not at all. It is a cool day today, and it's very cold outside. See, man, it's really cold right now. So yeah. Oh my god, what happened here? It's destroyed. Not supposed to be happening. So like I said before, it is very cold outside, and it's freezing outside, man. Jeez, man, it's freezing cold right now. Look at this, man. Hands like messed up. So here we are guys. Let's get this video done and sorted. So yeah, it is a cold day today. Very awesome, nice and dry in this area. So Hollies forest back again. So another adventure video. So there's gonna be an outstanding. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let's get this everything all catch you. More painting around here. There's more painting down there. All over here. I don't know what that is. Weird. Bunch of rubbish. What the heck? You see that, guys? Look at this. Look at that, guys. Messed up. I wonder who did that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the forest. There's a little forest there. I'm gonna go carve it. Okay, here I'm gonna do. This is a shortcut. Take from here all the way through to the gym. There's a gym down there. So the quick way to go here is to walk this way. So we're gonna look down here, no matter what. So you catch every single moment in this video. Yeah, let's get it. Everything is perfect. I don't know what this is. Who the hell did this? It's crazy, man. Look at it. Madness. Alright. Look at the tree, guys. Look at this tree. Awesome. And yeah, it is cool. It is wonderful here. It is calm. Let's see that one. Take a look at this. It's crazy. There's a madness here. Madness. Yeah. Goes all the way down there. Creep. Alright guys. Yeah. We made it all the way through here. So we continue going all the way up there. So I'll come back down here, go all the way to the forest. There's a little forest here, and continue going that way, and down to that. Go where the park is, then come back here all the way back to working. So let's get this done. So here I am. This video is not going to be long at all, it's going to be a short video. Like 50 minutes, 60 minutes, so it is amazing. I'm thinking to go all the way up because it is a little bumpy up there. Not to walk like, messed up. So what you're going to do is, there is people walking that way. Yeah, okay. Hold on. So I'm not going to walk behind me. Hold on. Guys, I'm not going to walk behind me because there's people there. And they're just checking out what they're doing. So now I have to like before already. Yeah, before walking down. And we're going to continue walking this way. We're going to go down this spot like this. Oh crap. But very slow and mud is always here. It is a full day and awesome. Thank God. Thank God, guys. Thank God there's no rain today. It'll be a flop video. The video will be messed up in. So yeah, video will be a flop video. So let's get into this forest. So there's a lot of mud here as well. Yeah, this is a shortcut to get to the other side. It is, yeah. Cool, awesome, and beautiful. Yeah. It is. Let me show you this path before we go any further. Alright. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna work. So let me fix this. It's kind of weird. Here we go. Sorted. Oh, dear. Oh, yeah. Not again. I should have wear my boot. I haven't wear my boot today. Oh, yeah. Alright. So I'm going to walk on the side. Like this. So I'm going to get down my dog feet. Ow! But I didn't realize that. There's just things everywhere. All over the place. Yeah, very, very sharp. So quick. Oh, hell no. Not this again. I hate that one. Look at it. Damn it. Have to go like this. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ouch. So I have to walk inside like this and like that. I have to walk like this and like this. And I have to walk like that way now. I have to be some more today. Here we are, guys. You made it through. Well done. It's a good place to be. So we've got some up here. Was it down there? I don't know. Let's have a look. Can I go there? Let's go over here, guys. Let's see what we find here. whatever. Let's go this way. This way here. Okay. What's down here? Oh, it's a little thing, how we call it. Messed up. Damn. Kind of messed up here. You know what? These people come here, have a chill time here, relaxing and talking, you know, doing judgy stuff. You don't want to do guys? Don't do that. Yeah, we can't go there. Some people want a long video. A long video. Some people want that. Yeah, give it a try. So, what's wrong with a long video? Like 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 40 minutes, 15-minute videos. Why not? Come on guys. Let's go to video. Nearly at the park. Anyway, we're recording this place. So let's continue recording. Anyway. Welcome to Foxley Park, Shirley Road, play area. Please respond any accidents or okay, that's awesome. I will come back here to another video. So I am. Let's see. People. You have a wait for one. Another spinning pin. Cool. Another sitting. And a little mini spin. Cool spin though. Yeah. Really a charging area to play with. It's like charging area to play. Very cool slide. And let's continue going this way. All this road. So yeah guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video. Smash that like button right now if you want another video of the crazy ones. Like, I don't know, another forest of a cool place you've never seen before. So literally can do that very soon. And also I'm planning to go to that abandoned place. So hopefully I'll get there. Do another crazy video for you guys. I know you guys want spooky videos, scary videos. I know you guys want that, so I'm gonna give you that very soon. Stay tuned for that. Background music, scary music buying. So not copyright, so I'm not gonna do that one. So yeah, make sure to tell you before I go any further. Good place. There is a little waterfall. Goes all the way up there. And down here, all the way here. So there is the shopping trolley. I don't know why these people bring me here. Destroy it. So stupid, honestly. So here I'm gonna do with the blue light, like I showed before. There's the blue light. So I'm gonna stop recording from there. So go back to where I came from and do video there. And I show everything forward. I don't wanna skip. It's a good place. I was gonna go up there because people walking down. So I look behind me and what the? There's people behind me walking? Okay, I was like, let's skip it. And let's walk to the forest all the way through to the end. This area with the bridges. So it's all good. All good. So yeah. This time I do without the mic. If I do with the mic next time, today without the mic. It's really awesome. It is a cool day and it is a cool place to be. Yeah, let's get out of here. What is people doing here? Looking forward to something. So weird, man, isn't it, guys? Yeah. Alright, it is the 360 here before moving on. But you might dirt here. So it is. So here's the light. So I'm gonna stop the video here. And yeah, let's stop the video here, guys. Alright guys, I got distracted here. So I just want to show you this one last time before going back to the bridge, to the layer bridge. So I just want to show you this area. Then what's down here. So let's have a look. Let's have a look what's down here, guys. It's like a bed. The fudge. Yeah, it's a little bed. All abandoned bed. That could be that. Anyway, let's go to the bridge. Stop the video. Alright guys, I got another one here. That looks like a post. Something. Sound of a post. So I seen another one here. Here's a creepy one. I don't know what the heck is that. Creepy down here. Really awesome to video. Anyway, let's get the hell out of here. Alright guys, if you really enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want more videos like this. If you really enjoyed that crazy Holly forest park area. So if you really enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video right now and hit the comment down below what you think of this place. And it's really cool place. So it's awesome. So on that note, make sure guys to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and add me on Facebook as well. So if you want to do that right now, and follow me on TikTok as well, because I make crazy videos on TikTok. So let's get this done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.